Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and insert back battery to GoPro 12. And to do this we'll need to open a hatch on the right side of the camera. It's located right here, and you can do this by pulling it downwards like that. Now the hatch opens and we can see the battery. There's this paper clip, or what, I mean not paper clip, but there's this something that you can pull the battery out just like that. And if you want to insert it back in, then you need to align the battery so it fits with the slot. It should go in like that. Slide it in and close the hatch and your battery is back. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.